What is up, y'all? I'm out here off the highway. I had to take a leak. There was no restroom, so I just took a leak in the nature. It's okay. It's okay. My Jeep is over there. I'm going to change out of these boots because I figured I'd wear them right now, but they haven't been broken in, and they're kind of uncomfortable when I'm driving, so I'm going to go ahead and change shoes, and I'll be headed on my way. And I don't really want to bore you guys with the scenery here because there's not really much to see on this stretch to the Palo Duro canyons. Time to hit the road. Woohoo! About a little over 3 hours away. So I finally arrived, and it's getting dark. Sun is going down. Make it in time, I believe. I was just at the canyon, got some drone footage for y'all. So y'all can enjoy the scenery. They are beautiful. I've been through the Grand Canyon before, and it's absolutely stunning. This is just as stunning. Well, not as grand, but it's still beautiful. Look at that. And behind me, this is absolutely gorgeous. Oh yeah. It's the second largest canyon in the country. It's second to the Grand Canyon. And from what it looks like, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to hike it. I was supposed to go somewhere else tomorrow and Sunday, but I think I'm going to stay here for the next 2 days and camp out there somewhere. I'm going to go ahead and head out to the campsite. I'm going to try to find it before the sun goes down, but it's just this beautiful sunset I couldn't resist. So I think I'm close to finding it. Can't believe how beautiful this is. All right, I found the entrance to the camp. Hackberry. All right, well, I'm here at the campsite, and I'm going to get it all set up, and then I'm going to do more of the filming tomorrow because the sun's almost dark. You can't really tell because the camera makes it look like it's brighter than it is, or lighter outside than it really is. But let me show you all the campsite first. Trails back there. All right, it is morning time, and I'm gonna go find a hiking place and all that good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy the view and all that good stuff, and I can't wait. I'm gonna give you guys a look-see of what it looks like when I wake up in the morning in my Jeep. Okay, it's not always like super neat, so yeah, but I organize it, and then it looks good. But in the mornings, it's always messy. All right, there's a little dilemma here. The toilets aren't working, so all of the water system isn't working, so all the bathrooms are closed, and I gotta take a dump. I gotta take a number 2, so I'm gonna go out here. Got my toilet, my wipes, and my bags, so it's a lifesaver. So if you don't have a portable toilet, get one because you never know. This toilet just goes in, this insert goes in here, and then you line it with this liner, and then you put the toilet seat cover over it. like this, and that's it. This is part of the canyon here that I'm gonna go ahead and hike. I'll take you all along with it, and hopefully I get some good shots. I just want to take in the nature, and just because I'm filming doesn't mean I'm not taking time to myself to take in the beauty of this place, which I am. So yeah. Had I known these canyons were here, I would have been here long ago. Man, it's just crazy how things you find when you look around your own state. All right, I gotta be careful here. Whoa, don't want to fall down there. Woo! All I had for breakfast was a breakfast bar, but I need to eat like real food soon after this hike. I limited myself to an hour, so. And then I gotta find a camp spot somewhere along this desert type canyon thing. Oh, ooh, there's like a hole. Check this out. I made it to the top of this cave thing. Doesn't it remind you of that movie, Pitch Black, with Vin Diesel? They're on this planet, and these monster creatures lived inside these caves. Wow, this is so cool.